Good morning, guys! It's a beautiful morning here in Buquete. Kahit rainy season ngayon, ang ganda pa rin ng panahon namin, especially every morning. So, kung nakikita nyo, meron akong ditong seedlings or another sprout of chayote. Nanggaling to sa aming cleaner, and then she said she have so much of this. And iba yung color niya. Dark green talaga siya, oh. Yan, sprout na siya, tapos ito. So, ang dami kong chayote, guys. So ngayon, dapat ang plano ko lang is, itatanim ko lang to siya kung saan ko din tinanim yung ibang chayote dito para all together sila. And then, nakita ako, ang dami ng malalaki na ready nang i-harvest. Tatanim ko to and then mag-harvest na rin ako. So it's not a plan. So, but I have to do it before siya masira. So let's go, mag-harvest tayo ng chayote. So I'm just gonna plant it here. Alam mo yung yung you don't know what to do kasi sobrang andami na. So ilalagay lang natin siya dito. Sana hindi kainin ng mga aguti or ng ibang animals. Kasi sometimes they dig it and then they eat it. Sana hindi ngayon. Uy! Ang daming worms, oh. Healthy soil. So here guys, if you can see itong bush na flowers na to. Ang dami doon, oh. Ayun, oh. Ang laki. And then, I didn't expect this. I was surprised. Tingnan natin dito sa ilalim. May nakita akong malalaki eh. Look. Yan, oh. Yung gardener namin, binigyan na ako ng isang balde last week. And then, he said he got it from here. So, ang dami pa rin pala. Let's see kung ilan yung makikita natin. Oy, ito, oh. Yan. Okay, let's go. Uy, ang laki. Ala, grabe. Ang lalaki, guys. Oh, oh my God. Surprise. What a beautiful surprise. Have one here. Another one. Uy, matanda na. It's already old. Sprouting na. I'll use my picker. See? Ang laki. This is the baby one. There's a big one here. On this side. Oh, I got it. Look guys. Ang laki na chayote. Here. It's too high. I don't know if I can reach it. Oh, I can. Excuse me. My picker is not high enough. Oh my God. Mayroon pang mas mataas. Nandoon na sa puno. It's too high. Oh yay. It's too high. Puno na yung balde. Ilang piraso pa lang to kasi sobrang lalaki. Oh my God. Wow. Amazing. So, ito na lahat yung na-harvest ko, guys. Puno na ang aking balde. Meron pang mga medyo maliliit. So, pinabayaan ko na. Sobrang lalaki niya. I don't know what to do with this. Okay, yun lang. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, everyone. Bye!